brand new in from the E-Tech range, which is a new range from JCB Power Tool. This is 18 volt lithium brushless impact driver. Also, you can buy your batteries. I've got two different batteries here. So I've got 1.5 amp hour and 5 amp hour as well. Not a huge difference in weight. So we've got our instructions. That's our belt clip, and this is what we want to see. Great. So if you want to clip on your belt clip, and you've got a little Phillips screwdriver there, and that's just going to clip through and screw it on. So first off, feel it. The build quality is excellent. We've got this metal front over here. It feels strong. It feels rugged. Body has got feels like an impact sort of resistant plastic. You know, it's a very strong sort of. It's definitely going to take a lot of shock all throughout the back there as well. So if you drop that, that's going to take some of the pressure out of the impact there as well. Let's pop one of the batteries on. So being a DC motor, brushless. We should have a nice gradual start. Yeah, that's lovely. So that feels very good. Forward and reverse. Lanyard fitting on the back there as well. Battery indicator on the battery. Okay, so what we got here, this is my 21-piece impact bit set to go with my JCB Impact Driver. So all in the same sort of casing. It's rugged, strong. So we've got the quick release body as well. So we'll pop that in there. Good. And then we've also got the different screwdriver fittings as well. Pop them on. We've got Phillips, we've got torque, we've got posi drive. So you can see that's locked in really well. We've got the collar on there to release that as well. Pop it in, locked in, put your battery on. Perfect. And of course, we've got the short body so we can get into tight spaces, and the light is really going to help as well. So thanks very much to the guys from JCB for sending me all of these new products. I'm going to be taking them out on site, giving them a good road test over the next month. We'll report back. I'll let you know how we're getting on. Fantastic. Thank you very much. I'm very, very pleased with all of my new power tools. And let's get out there and get using them. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.